Hello, good morning. We have had some problems and we are going to start again with this presentation. In this case, we have the second shift groups. What you want, you can start.
We are Gurutz, June and Yera, and for the first trimester we made a Bluetooth card with different connections and mechanisms. For this project we made a site to show off our project where you can find photos, a Canva, our program, and electric diagram. And here I'm going to pass you to my classmates to tell you about our specialty.
Our specialty is the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth that we have used in this car is the HC05. That it's a Bluetooth that is used to connect Arduinos with mobile phones. In this case, you are seeing a photo of the HC05 Bluetooth, and we are going to explain the part that has. The most important one is the main chip. That is the chip that allows to receive and send information from the mobile phone. Then are the pins, the power pins that have 3.3 volts and 5 volts. And also there is a ground pin that closes the circuits to have the connection.
Now moving on into the connection pins, we have THD and Urresti. The THD basically transmits, sends data from the module to another device, and the RxD receives data from the connected device. After that, we are going to explain about, we are going to talk about the LED indicator. The small LED indicator or light provides us visual feedback. If it's blinking rapidly, it means it's on and searching for a connection. And if it's blinking slowly, it means it has successfully paired to another Bluetooth device. And last but not least, the working principle. The HC05 module connects to other devices via TXD and RFD. The connection speed we've already explained, forming a serial communication link. Once powered, the module can be paired with a smartphone or another Bluetooth-enabled device, and when connected, you can send and receive data wirelessly. This module is widely used because of its variety, simplicity, and accessibility to connect with other Bluetooth devices. Now we are going to show you a video of our car going straight, coming back, and yeah. The car is being controlled by the app on an app on the phone, which is paired with the Bluetooth. That is our specialty.
Galdera bat, zein izan da prozesu honetan aurkitu duzuen zailtasunik handiena?
Well, so we had two main difficulties. The first one would be putting up the car itself because we had two half pieces of the car, and at first it was very difficult to know where to connect with what and how the pieces are meant to be. But after that, we figured it out. And the second one.
And the second one was the Bluetooth, because the Bluetooth only can connect the Android dispositives. And some Android dispositive didn't find the tooth, so we use the Sigor phone to connect it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Very well. Thank you, Yera, Junior, and Gurutz, and see you in a minute. Thank you. Hello. Unfortunately, Eneko is sick, and they are going to carry out their presentation on Thursday. Today, Uxue and Alain will continue with their presentation.
Hi, we are Alain, Basterretxea and Uxue Basaras, and we are going to talk about our specialty. Our specialty is the L298N motor drive that it is used to control DC motors. It's a way to control motors in a robotic or automation system. And when controlling two DC motors with a microcontroller like the Arduino, the L298N allows you to adjust the rotation direction and the speed of the motors. And these gadgets have different input and output pins that facilitate the motor control, and the connections are as follows. We have 4 outputs. The first one and the second one are connected to one of the motors, in this case the left motor, and the out one is connected to one of the terminals of the motor, and the out 2 is connected to the other terminal. And the same happens with the other outputs, the out 3 and the out 4. The only difference is that these are connected to the right motor. Now, Alain will talk you about the inputs and the power connections.
I will tell you the control pins first of all. There are 4 control pins on the L298N that connect to the Arduino, allowing it to control. LN1 and LN2 control the left motor, and LN3 and LN4 controls the right motor. Now the power connections. L298N receives power from the battery pack through the plus N and minus pins. 5-volt pin of the L298N is connected to pin on the Arduino to supply power to the Arduino. This assuming say that the battery pack voltage is compatible. There are any questions?
Yes, yes.
Proiektu hau egiterakoan ea zailtasun aurkitu dituzuen eta nola eman diezuen erantzuna, nola konpondu duzuen.
We have a lot of problems because we cannot connect the mobile phone with the car, and the car isn't going very good because it's difficult to move the car forward and back and nothing else.
Zergatik ez da konektatzen mugikorra kotxearekin?
because
No zegoen arazoa, aurkitu duzu arazoa no zegoen?
yes, the mobile phone Bluetooth isn't going on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for listening.
Okay, we wait 1 minute and the next group will be ready. Thank you.
Hello, we are Ekai, Nahia, and Alex, and now we are going to speak about our specialty that is the Arduino. This system works like a team where each part plays an important role to make everything run smoothly. The Arduino acts as the team leader, giving instruction and making sure all the parts work together properly. It listens carefully to the Bluetooth module, which is like a messenger. The Bluetooth module receives commands that you send from a device like your phone or computer. These commands travel wirelessly to the Arduino, so you don't need any wires to control the systems. This makes it easy and fun to use because you can control it from a distance.
Once Arduino gets the command from the Bluetooth module, it knows what to do next, and it sends signals to the motor driver, which is like a helper that controls how the motor moves, and the motor driver follows Arduino's instructions and makes the motor go backward, forward, slower or faster, and it can even stop the motors completely if needed. And this teamwork between the Arduino and the motor driver makes it possible for the motors to move exactly the way you want them to.
When all these parts work together, the system allows you to control motors without any wires. You can easily make a robot or moving toy come to life by sending commands from your phone.
The Bluetooth module handles the wireless communication. The Arduino processes the commands, and the motor driver makes the motor move. So it's a great way to understand how machines work and have fun building cool projects. Thank you for listening.
So for today, we have finished. We are going to have more presentations tomorrow and on Thursday. Have a nice day, and thank you to all the students that are here, and Eider, who has been correcting, and all the parents. Thank you. Bye-bye.